Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be very brief. If you're new to this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and do not forget to also check other videos that we have in the channel. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Fibonacci, how to use it to spot perfect entries in the market. All right, so if you've been looking for the video or a tutorial where you can learn how to use Fibonacci, then trust me, this is the right place for you. All right, so quickly we're just going to jump right into our chart. I'm just going to show you in a jiffy. So do not forget to join the Telegram group where we usually share signals on how to enter the markets and be profitable. Then if you want my free course, you can actually take it using this link. And if you want free indicators also that I use, you can get it from this link, all in the description below. All right, so jumping right into our chart. Now the first thing you need to understand is understanding market structure. All right, now for market structure, you know that in an uptrend, or let me use for example, because this is an example of a downtrend. You can see the market is moving down. You notice that the market drops this way, then comes up, drops this way, comes up, drops this way, comes up. All right, now in this particular scenario, you'll realize that when this dropped, this peak here did not come to this level. All right, when they also dropped, this peak here did not come to this level. This is how you confirm a downtrend. The present peak does not return to the previous peak. All right, or at most it might get to the previous peak. All right, but it would not surpass the previous peak. All right, this is what I mean. This level here is not going to surpass this level here. All right, so that's it. So now quickly, now how do we now use Fibonacci tools to confirm our entry? Now do not forget that when trading you need at least 2 to 3 confirmations. All right, now you know that this is a moving average. This is my 200 moving average pointing downwards, which is my regular pattern of trading. I use the 200 moving average. When it's above it, it tells me that the market is moving up. When it's below it, it tells me the market is moving down. All right, now the next thing is, once the price market for a downtrend, once the market is below it, I want to wait for the first movement and the second movement, and I want to see their levels, that this level is below this level. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to take your Fibonacci tool, and you can see that this downward movement was what brought about this pullback here. All right, now at this pullback, now this movement that caused this pullback is where you're gonna create, is where you're gonna draw your Fibonacci tool from the beginning of that movement, of that down movement, to the end of the movement, which is here. Okay, let me increase this so that you could see it. Let me increase this so that you can see it. All right, now this is this. Quickly, you can see now this moved from here to here, then it pulled back to this level. At this particular level, what you are looking for is the 61.8 mark. Now what we are looking for is the 61.8 mark, or preferably the golden rule, which is 50.0 and 61.8. all right, so when my price moves down, you want to check that this pullback, or like I usually say, I usually like to call it discount. Now you want to make sure that this discount here, you want to make sure that this discount here gets to, sorry about the messages, you want to make sure that this discount here touches your 61.8, or preferably you want to make sure that it touches your 50, or is between 50 and 61.8, or at most you want to make sure that it touches your 61.8. all right, once it touches your 61.8, then you know that you are you're ready to actually place a sell trade. Now the next confirmation, remember I told you the first confirmation is that the price is below 200 EMA. Then your second confirmation is your Fibonacci. Then your third confirmation is your candlestick. You can see this long wick right here. You can see this candlestick here. You can see with this long wick. All right, so this this, you can see this is forming like an evening star. You can see something like this is dropping. You can see this is forming something like an evening star. You can see this long wick right here. This shows rejection right here. So you will place your sell after this candle, then you just ride the wave downwards. All right, so let's draw our Fibonacci on the next drop, which is here. Let's see. Remember I told you that this is the pullback. Then, but this was the downward run that caused this pullback. So it's on this downward run you will draw your Fibonacci. All right, so you draw it from the beginning, which is this the beginning, to the end, which is here. All right, so you can see this pullback surpassed even the 61.8. all right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to look for reject. You want to see reversal candles like this. You can see this is looking more or less like a road track kind of, yeah, something like that. All right, so then you can see after this rejection candle right here, you can see there was a drop to the downside. Okay, so that's how you can actually make use of the Fibonacci to be profitable in the market. And you can see the market kept dropping and kept dropping. All right, you can do the same thing for here. Let's try the same thing for here. You can see price is still below my 200 EMA. all right, that's the first thing. Then the second thing is you want to make sure that this peak here is below this peak to confirm that it's a downtrend. Then you want to draw your Fibonacci. You can see, yes, because no price moved from here to here before it now pulled back. You can see that price also came and was topped out at the 61.8. you can see there were lots of consolidation and rejections here. Then you see price dropped. So that's how you can actually trade the 61. You can trade the Fibonacci 2 successfully without or even having little drawdown. So guys, I remain your boy KOSB Finance, and I'd like you to stay tuned and be part of this community, because all we do here is make lots of money. All right, so if you want to learn my strategies, then you need to be part of the family, because all I do here is give free stuffs. All right, so guys, if you want to be part of the Telegram group and get free signals, just hit the link here, and also click the free, if you want a free course, you can take it through this link and get the free indicators. And you can also contact me on WhatsApp, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel and also click the bell button so you get notifications whenever videos have been uploaded. And do not forget to share this video with your friends. All right, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and bye for now.